Is your JBL Flip 7 Bluetooth speaker losing battery too fast? Do you know some easy tips and tricks to optimize its overall battery life? In this quick guide, we'll not just show how to stop battery drain, but also how you can maximize and increase its battery life without reducing your speaker's performance. So let's get going. Now first, let's talk about the usage pattern. Okay, so first of all, very basic but very important. In the end of the day, when you're done listening to your Flip 7, what are you gonna do? Even if you pause the music, if it's still turned on, this will drain battery. So easy, just press on this power button and keep it turned off until next time. But we know you can carry this device outside because it's dust and waterproof, but try not to use it under sunlight for a long time. The maximum temperature it can take is 45 degrees Celsius. And not just heat. Any extreme level of heat or cold can damage its battery. Now let's talk about some charging habits. Since it doesn't come with any charger or cable, try to use a good quality charger and cable. And while we're talking about charging, when it's on charge, try to fully charge it before disconnecting it every now and then. And that means try not to use it while it's on charge. And you know what? When you're charging this baby, just keep it turned off and let it charge in peace. Apart from that, if you constantly use your Flip 7 with high volume, this might also drain battery faster than you know. So it's recommended to keep the volume at a moderate level. And if you're using the JBL Portable app with your device, open the app, and there is an option called Playtime Boost. If you want, you can just enable it. This will keep your Flip 7 run a longer period of time without reducing its performance. And since we're in the app, just go ahead and check if there is any firmware update available in there. If it does, just go ahead and install it. And more often than not, battery drain can happen for minor soft regulation. So every now and then, try to reset your Flip 7. For that, make sure it's turned on, and then just press and hold on this plus icon and this play icon for a couple of seconds. When it turns off by itself, that means the reset is complete. After that, you can just turn it on, it'll go straight into pairing mode. Just go ahead, pair it with any device you want. And hopefully following these easy tips to help your Flip 7 optimize its overall battery life. Thanks for watching.